and there is one that all will only come in and not go out, depending on the one that you want to do. So some have key like that. Next, after that, some have ports. You know, I've already discussed that we have RJ11 22 ports. Am I right or not? And what do you normally connect to your RJ22 ports?
The handler.
You connect your spiral cable.
Spiral cable.
You connect your spiral cable to RJ22. So after that RJ22, we also have RJ11 ports. Outside RJ22, your phone box also have what? RJ11 ports. Some will have one, some will have two. Some will have one, some will have two. So again, next that I will tell you, there are one that if you put it on it, it's going to be coming in, God will not go out. And there's another one that if you put it, God will go out and God will come in. So some will have one RJ11, some will have two. Nowadays we now have some that even have three RJ11. Can I move on?
No.
How many have I given you now?
6.
Again, some of them will now have switch. It has a ringer switch and it has a pulse switch. Ringer switch and pulse switch. That ringer, you can use it to increase or reduce the volume of the call that is coming in. And the pulse switch, you can use it to put it either pulse or continuous stop. That is when it rings, stop. When it rings, stop. Or it just keep ringing. So do you have any question on phone box? So against next class, I'll bring a phone box. So everything that I've been discussing, I will show you on the phone box. You see the handler, the terminator, the spiral cable, your guide, your key. What else again? Your RJ11, your RJ11 ports, your RJ22 ports, your terminator, and your switch. You see everything. Next after that again, some phone box have display unit, but note, it's optional. Some phone box have display unit, but not all phone box have display unit. Not all phone box have display unit. Only some phone box have display unit. Not all phone box have display unit. Only some that have. And with the display unit, you know the status of your phone. And let me now tell you one funny thing about display phone boxes. You always have a place where you put your battery. And one thing about phone boxes, you must put a working battery, or you don't put battery at all. The moment the battery that you put there is weak, the quality, what we call quality of service will also reduce. So it's either you put the working battery or you don't put battery there. One funny thing. That dialer in some phone it will be on the set-top box. In some phone it will be what? On your handler. And there are some phones that are very funny that if you have dialer on the set-top box and it also have dialer on the handler. And I told you, not all phone boxes use spiral cable. Some use Bluetooth to communicate. So that you not get to a place, not say, or they never taught us that there are some that don't have wire. How that one, but those ones are optional. And finally, the number that phone box will bear is not the factor of the box. The number that your phone box will bear, meaning the number that you will be using to receive call or to be making call, is not a factor of that box. It's a factor of where it's connected to on your PBX. If the phone is already asking call on 001, It's because to connect that phone, the cable to us was 001 on the PBX. If I decide to remove it from 001 and now put it on maybe 025, the number of where you be receiving the call will also what? Will also change. That's why when we are laying the cable in intercom, we normally have what? Paper tape. As you are laying the cable like this, you must be putting what number on it. Imagine you are doing 16, you are setting up a 128 channel. If you make mistake in one number like this, you will need to go to 128 rooms. Just imagine you are walking from one room to another. Those that have done intercom knows what I'm saying. I imagine it's now 3-story building. That's why as you are laying the cable like this, you must be taping it. One will go to one at the other end. Two will go to there was an hotel, I don't want to mention any more hotel because I'm not lying. There was an hotel we work. There one of my very funny students, don't let me call this stupid student. He made mistake. You know we have 19 and 16 always. 19 and 16. They look alike. 19, 16, 61 and 91. That instead of 19 he wrote 16. The wahala wey we do. Because by the time he was dialing 16, the room that belonged to 16 was not ringing. So we need to start looking for which room is that number ringing. But if you are doing hotel setup, you know sometimes we have hotel, we have 1 room, 2 room, 3 room. And most times we make sure that the number tallies so it will be easier for them to establish trust. While I will do that job. The hotel is not for sale. You want to sell that home. When the owner of that hotel came, we were asking, why are you guys still working? Well, that's why are we walking around? Because you need to go open room. It doesn't ring. And at the same time, let me tell one funny thing. When we are doing intercom, we normally use our wireless walkie-talkie. Because by the time you get there, you call, I've already gotten the line. Or else you'll be using your normal call to communicate. So that's why it's more expensive. We charge more when we are doing maintenance in intercom than new fresh installation. Don't worry. When we get to that, at least some of you have done intercom. Pray that we have another one. The past 2 months we have done like theory. The past like 4 months we have done fast. It's not job that comes every day. But the job that when you go to site, when you go for 1, 2, all you just need is job. We have another one that we are doing currently at Magodo. When we get to that stage, the distance is far. So it might be you guys that
Lagos Magodo.
But yes, Lagos Magodo. We are doing one job.
No.
It's not too bad. So when we get to that level. Do you have any question on all I've said? So in the absence of no question, let's call this class.
Thank you, sir.
So do your assignment.